Today I'm sharing a Christmas dessert mini Christmas tree cakes. Here's how to make them. In a mixing bowl, add 80 grams of milk. Then add 50 grams of vegetable oil, 100 grams of sugar, 4 egg yolks, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything well until smooth. Next, add 100 grams of coconut flour and 20 grams of desiccated coconut. Keep in mind that every brand of coconut flour is different. Some absorb more liquid than others. You may need to reduce or add more coconut flour to achieve this batter consistency. Set the batter aside for 10 minutes to allow the coconut flour to absorb the liquid. After 10 minutes, the batter will thicken. Next, add 60 grams of softened butter. Use a spatula to fold it in until fully incorporated. Transfer the batter into a piping bag. Pipe the batter onto a lined baking tray using a swirl motion, starting from the bottom and building upwards to form a small cone shape. This recipe makes approximately 13 piped cones, depending on size. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 minutes until lightly golden brown on top. Then set them aside to cool completely. Now let's make an easy and fast buttercream. In a cold mixing bowl, add 200 grams of cold whipping cream, 80 grams of icing sugar, food-grade coloring, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whip until stiff peaks form. Next, add 200 grams of melted salted butter. It's important that the butter is between 50 degrees Celsius and 55 degrees Celsius to achieve smooth, no-fail results. If you're using a hand whisk, whisk quickly at this step. For best results and less effort, using a hand mixer is recommended. Once it's done, you can see how light and smooth this buttercream is. Place the coconut cake on a turntable. Here I'm using a small electric turntable to help me pipe the buttercream evenly around the cake. Once that's done, decorate as desired and chill the frosted cakes to help the buttercream set. That's it. I hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try. Lastly, I'd like to apologize for not posting as regularly as I'd like. I didn't want to miss the chance to wish you a very Merry Christmas and thank you for always being here and supporting my channel. I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Truly, from my heart, thank you for your support, your kindness, and for being part of this journey with me. I'm very grateful for every one of you, and I look forward to baking and sharing more together in the coming year.